Meet the axolotl, the Mexican walking fish, one of the quirkiest creatures on our planet. Unlike other amphibians, it never fully grows up, keeping its gills and aquatic vibe for life. With a permanent smile, it looks like a cartoon character come to life. But don't let that cuteness fool you. This little guy has a superpower. Axolotls can regenerate limbs, parts of their heart, and even brain tissue. Sadly, they're critically endangered, found only in a few lakes near Mexico City. Scientists are fascinated by them, hoping to unlock secrets of healing and regeneration. The axolotl shows us that nature's oddities can be truly extraordinary.